Ever found yourself scrolling on your phone or watching videos when you should be working on something important? Don't worry, you're not alone. Procrastination affects all of us, but have you ever wondered why we procrastinate? And more importantly, how to stop? Stick around for the next few minutes, and I'll explain the psychology behind procrastination and give you actionable tips to break the cycle. 1. Why do we procrastinate? Let's start with why procrastination happens. It's not just laziness. Procrastination is often linked to emotional regulation. When a task feels overwhelming, boring, or even scary, our brain chooses to avoid it in favor of something more pleasurable or less stressful. It's like a defense mechanism to protect ourselves from discomfort. Example: think about that report you've been putting off. The fear of it being too hard or not perfect enough can push you to binge watch your favorite show instead. 2. The role of instant gratification. Our brains love quick rewards. Scrolling social media or playing a game gives you an immediate dopamine hit, while starting that big project feels daunting and unrewarding at first. This is why we procrastinate. It's a battle between long-term goals and short-term pleasure. 3. How to break the procrastination cycle. Now let's talk solutions. Here are 3 simple, science-backed strategies to beat procrastination. A. The 2-minute rule. Start with something small, something that takes 2 minutes or less. Once you start, momentum will often carry you forward. Example: if you need to write a report, just start by opening the document and typing the title. Small steps lead to big progress. B. Break tasks into bite-sized pieces. Overwhelm often leads to procrastination. Break your task into smaller, manageable chunks and focus on one at a time. Completing one piece will give you a sense of accomplishment. Example: instead of write the whole essay, try write the introduction or outline 3 main points. C. Reward yourself. Use rewards to motivate yourself. Set a goal like work for 25 minutes, and then reward yourself with a quick break or a treat. 4. Change your environment. Sometimes, your surroundings can make or break your productivity. Remove distractions like your phone, or work in a space dedicated to focus. A simple tweak can make all the difference. 5. Practice self-compassion. And lastly, don't beat yourself up for procrastinating. It's normal. Acknowledge it, forgive yourself, and take one small step forward. Progress over perfection is the key. Procrastination isn't a sign of failure, it's just your brain trying to protect you. By understanding why it happens and using these simple strategies, you can take back control and get things done. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights like this.